Introduction to Recoll.
Recoll is a powerful, user-friendly tool that lets Linux users perform fast, full-text searches across a wide range of file types. Unlike simple file finders, Recoll digs deep into the content of your documents, making it easier to locate exactly what you need, even inside PDFs, emails, or attachments. Let's explore how Recoll can boost your productivity with advanced search capabilities.
Installing Recoll on Linux.
Getting started with Recoll is easy. On most distributions, you can install it using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, type sudo apt install Recoll in the terminal. Fedora, Arch, and other systems have Recoll available in their repositories too. Once installed, launch Recoll from your Applications menu to begin setting it up for indexing your files.
Configuring file indexing.
Before searching, Recoll creates an index of your documents. On first run, you'll be asked to select the folders you want to include. Add your home directory, documents, or any custom folder. You can also choose which file types to index, including PDFs, Word docs, emails, and more. Indexing may take time, but it runs quietly in the background and ensures future searches are lightning fast.
Performing advanced searches.
Recoll shines with powerful search options. Enter your terms in the search box, or use advanced features like phrase searching, wildcards, and Boolean operators, and or not. You can also filter results by date, file type, or folder path. Recoll instantly displays matches with highlighted keywords and quick file previews, making it simple to spot what you need.
Tips for power users.
Take your searches further by using Recoll's query language for complex searches, such as exact phrases or exclusions. Recoll can also recognize stemming, so searching for run matches running and runner. Integration with desktop environments and browser extensions lets you search directly from your workflow, while customizable indexing settings ensure you stay in control of what Recoll includes.
Conclusion and next steps.
Recoll is a robust solution for anyone needing advanced, full-text search capabilities on Linux. With its simple setup, rich search features, and support for numerous file formats, Recoll can revolutionize the way you find information on your computer. Try it out and discover just how much time you can save searching through your data.